guess I would say that the idea behind converting a van came from our constant desire for adventure. But as well as wanting to share more of those adventures, we wanted to start by showing you the van build journey itself. So please be sure to check out the links in the description to see the video series so far, and subscribe to the channel to see more videos from us in the future.
So it's a couple days later now, and we've done some de-rusting, and now we're officially ready to insulate. So let's see what we're going to do.
This is our main insulation, and we got this from B&Q for about £15. What's cool about it is it's made from recycled plastic bottles. So we're going to be using this to put the insulation up on the walls, and then we're going to use our expandable foam to fill in the gaps. Then we're going to use our reflectives to go over the top to create a vapour barrier, and then we're going to use our tape to seal it all in.
The only other thing that we got is this insulation board. It seemed to be the best option for the floor. It turns out that expandable foam is not as fun as I thought it would be. We're going to be using as little of it as possible, just going to be cramming in the plastic bottle insulation. As you can see, we are finally pretty much done with the insulation. On the right wall, however, we ran out of tape, so we're going to come back to that later. We're really happy with how the floor looks as well. We've got the insulation board in and runners going from the front to the back, so we can screw that into the base of the van. Self-tapping screws for this, 50mm long, the wood's 34mm. We've bent one, we've snapped one, and we've also snapped a drill bit. So this is it. This is what the van looks like with all the insulation in. You can also see on the roof here what we get up to in the next video. So subscribe and turn on notifications to see when we post that. So I just thought I'd round things up here with how much of each material we used for the insulation. Starting with the main plastic bottle insulation, we used 3 rolls. And the Reflectix, we also used 3 rolls. The spray adhesive, we used 2 cans, but really we could have done with 3. And the insulation tape, we used maybe 6 rolls of. I will say that everything we did with the tape that we got from Halfords, we had to redo, so I'd probably stay away from that one. And the insulation board for the floor comes in a pack of 8, and we use 6 of them. This is where we're going to end the video, so if you enjoyed it, hit the thumbs up button, and thanks for watching.